So as the name implies, multimeter, which means it's multi-purpose, like you can use it to do so many things. So as you can see, the labels or the signs, the symbol, this ohms, this amperage in DC, because this is the this and this is a DC sign, this amps in DC, these amps in AC, this for your transistor, this frequency, this your voltage in AC, and this voltage in DC. So for you to read, if you want to read your amperage in DC, you can tune it from any of these sides, all these white sides. Then amperage in AC is these yellow sides. The same thing applicable to all the rest of the sides. And then for you to know where you put your test leads, as you can see, this common, you put black on common, and then put your red on the V ohms. So your continuity test. So as you can see, I'll place it there. If you join the two test leads together, you hear the meter making noise now. Can you hear it? That's your continuity test. If you want to read continuity, if something is contacting, this is where you put it. Then where I'm most concerned is this voltage in DC, because I want to use it and check my my solar panel now. So I'm going to, cause what I'm checking, the panel I'm checking is I think 40 volts or so. So I will put it, this is 2 volts, this is 20 volts, and this is 200 volts, 200 and 1000 volts. So because what I'm checking is more than 20, so I'll put it on 200. This flames solar panel 370 watts. The open circuit voltage is 40.36, as you can see. So you can pause the video to check the parameters. This is the front, is a split cell solar panel, 144 cells.
Yes. Okay.
We have the positive terminal. As you can see, the MC4 connector. This is for the positive. As you can see, this, you see it written on the body. You see this positive written on the body of the MC4. So say the same. Then coming to this side, coming to this side, you see the negative. Look at it, negative. So basically what we did, we connect the positive test leads of the meter to the positive terminal of the solar panel and send to the negative. So once you add the two, yeah, let's now use our meter to check the output. So our meter.